In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram network. Request failed. Please try again later. Error. This can be a frustrating issue, but I'll walk you through the steps to resolve it in just a few minutes. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So first of all, open up your Google Play Store and then tap on the search bar up top and search for Instagram. To the right of Instagram, it will either say Open or Update. If it says Open, that means you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. If it says Update, then you need to update your Instagram app as soon as possible because updating your app to the latest version fixes these kinds of network-related errors. And once you have updated your app, go over to your settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps, and then tap on the search bar up top and search for Instagram. When you are on this screen, tap on Storage, and then you want to clear the app data. After that, go back and tap on Permissions. You want to give permission for all of these. Once you have done that, restart your device and then log back into the Instagram application and you should be good to go. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.